Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my quick walkthrough at Portland Leather's retail store. This is a shorter video because the retail store is relatively smaller than their outlet store. With a smaller retail space, I noticed that they were showcasing more curated products. The leather bags and accessories seem to have a more consistent and cohesive leather texture. So if you are someone who is more selective in your purchase, this more refined shopping experience may be a better option for you. One of the most important reasons that I love Portland Leather's products is their leather. I think they found a good balance in terms of leather thickness and the leather texture. And they keep coming up with new styles of bags so that we all can find what we need or what we love. And of course, the price is incredible consider what you are getting. Most of the leather goods will last for a long time even if you use them every day. When I was visiting their store, I noticed that the discontinued retro collection vegetable tan leather bags were still available at the store. If you have been looking for these, get them before they are all gone. Even though the retail store was not as big as the outlet, they did have the almost perfect products and the unicorn bags as well. I was very fortunate that I was able to visit both their retail and their outlet stores when I was in Portland. If you love their products but live far away, I hope one day you get an opportunity to visit their retail and their outlet store. It's great to plan a trip to visit Portland. Other than their Portland leather stores, you also get great restaurants and beautiful sceneries around the area. If you want to plan a trip to visit Portland and need recommendation, feel free to ask in the comment area. Maybe I can share with you some of my favorite spots. I know it has been a while since I talked about making a Portland Leather full collection video. I still couldn't make it happen because I have been buying too many of their products. It feels like they keep increasing. The last time I checked, the Portland Leather's bags I have was getting close to 50. On top of that, I have plenty of their accessories as well. And with other lame excuses, I found it challenging to pull everything together. Can you imagine how long that video would be? I bet nobody wants to sit through that. My current plan is to split my collection video into a few parts so that it feels more manageable. Hopefully they will be coming soon. And if you think you'd like to watch more Portland Leather's video, or just listen to me talking to myself in my office, feel free to subscribe and hopefully I'll talk to you again soon. Now I'm going to let you finish this video on your own and let me know, did you see anything you like from this video?